Welcome to TricksYoutube, a channel where you learn YouTube from zero. ChatGPT is one of the most used AI or artificial intelligence by content creators nowadays. Some can make amazing contents with this AI. But unfortunately, some creators only treat this AI like Google. They ask questions that Google can answer. In fact, there are a lot of hidden features owned by ChatGPT that can help creators to grow their channels. You can use it to make script, title, description, and even the content itself. But, were you ever disappointed in ChatGPT because this AI didn't give the content ideas as you expected? Like you don't get the ideas like exactly what you expect. For example, I want to make a content about a t-shirt and I want to sell it. But when I ask ChatGPT to give me copywriting, it gives me boring ideas. Well, the problem is you not the ChatGPT. You don't tell exactly what you want. How come the AI supposed to understand if you don't tell them? And don't ask them to read your mind. You have to detail it into words. Let's break down the secret of ChatGPT prompts formula now. It should have key prompt, target market, or audience, objective, or goal, and benchmark. Now let's try using this formula for the t-shirt I want to sell. Type the formula here. I type the key prompt, target market, or audience. Objective, or goal. And benchmark. You see the difference. The AI understand what you want, the exact things that you want. Now let's try another one for my YouTube contents. I want to make YouTube Kids channel, so here I type this way. I type the key prompt, target market, or audience. Objective, or goal. And benchmark. This is exactly what I want, content for kids with Barbie touch. Conclusion: if you want to get the same exact results as you expected from AI, you have to give very clear prompts, make it specific in every aspect. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helpful for you. See you.